The holidays are definitely coming. Classic jingles playing everywhere, the TV showing all the token flicks, and it seems like everyone is starting to decorate. Stay tuned for fun ways to recycle toys for Christmas. We all used to love our toys, but as we get older, we either end up giving them all away, throwing them all away, or putting them all away, somewhere where they mostly just sit collecting dust. Holiday decorations are, of course, a different story. Around this time of year, your inner child always comes back out to play. Well, what if we told you could repurpose all of your toys no matter what you've still got laying around, making them both fun and festive? Nope. Just because it's Christmas morning, you can't escape brushing your teeth and running straight to that candy cane, Kira. Whoops. Looks like Kira's got bigger fish to fry. What a mess. Great. Now I have to clean all this up and then brush my teeth. Oh, hey, friend. You saw all that, didn't you? Clumsy Kira strikes again. Hey, do you want to be my new do-it-yourself decorative distraction? I'll have to perform minor surgery, but don't worry, it won't be nearly as bad as the dentist's. You're not against some extra antlers, are you? Because you'll look perfect. Now, if I could just stop procrastinating and actually brush my teeth. Chelsea just wanted to do some last-minute holiday organizing, but things didn't quite go according to plan. Great. How am I supposed to fix this? Wait a second. I don't need to fix it. I need to switch it. And maybe add some color. Let's see which one Chelsea's gonna use. Silver? Nice. Always a great choice for the holiday season. Stick on your new dresser knobs, and you're good to go. Yay! Now I can get back to my organizing. There's nothing like having nice clean clothes and nice clean drawers to put them in. Wow, Chelsea, you did the entire dresser? You're just full of holiday spirit, aren't you? Am I supposed to watch my favorite vlogs if my hands are going to be full with wrapping presents? Maybe somebody will give me one of those phone holders for Christmas. Wrapping presents always takes so long. It's going to be so boring without having something playing in the background. Okay, this deer is my last hope. Come on, dear. I was going for a Christmas miracle here. Wait a minute. I might just get it after all. Looks like Dr. Ashley is ready to operate. Grab a scalpel and carefully make a lateral utility incision. Now turn over your heroic patient and repeat the process. If somebody told me yesterday that I'd be beheading one of Santa's reindeer on Christmas, I would have never believed them. Good thing this is all for a good cause. The good cause of not wrapping presents alone and in complete silence. Nice! Looks like Dr. Ashley's surgery was a smashing success. Ashley, you are one crafty lady. But wasn't the point of the surgery to free up both your hands? Those presents aren't going to wrap themselves, you know. Going all out for Christmas is an annual tradition for millions around the globe. But have you ever wondered why? Maybe it's because if your house isn't festive enough, Santa won't be able to find it and bring you any presents. Yup, looks like Kira's thinking the same thing. I wonder what she's gonna add. Oh no! Why am I such a klutz? Natalie's gonna kill me! Okay, if I just glue it back together, Nat's still gonna be able to tell it's broken. But if that sweet tooth sees a bunch of candy instead of a crack, maybe she won't kill me after all. Feel free to improvise and use super glue if you don't have a glue gun. And voila! Our marshmallowy peace offering is ready. Oh, I hope this works. I would hate it if somebody broke my stuff. I knew all my hard decorating work would eventually pay off. Thanks, Santa. Ashley here thinks that it's not only the Christmas trees that need decorating. Oh no! Where did my other earring go? Phew, there you are. But what is this moose doing here? Chelsea really has to stop leaving her things around everywhere. But since this is Christmas and all, I think I'll make an exception and surprise her with a gift instead of a tantrum. I know tree decorations are supposed to be hung up, but no one said they have to be hung up on a tree. That's right, Ash. Plus, wearing different earrings is all the rage right now. I think Chelsea is gonna love what you're doing with her moose. Wow, Ashley, these are so cool. And that little guy looks just like my little moose. That is your moose, Chelsea. Ashley decided to give him a little holiday makeover after she found him on the floor of her room this morning. Bet you never thought you'd be wearing him one day. I love the holidays, and I love doing my hair. But it's definitely not as enjoyable when I have to rummage through my messy drawer to do it. This is exactly why I hate going through it. What if I finally take care of this problem once and for all? Grab a mason jar. Some festive spray paint. And where would we be without green glitter to match the other half of our Christmassy color scheme? Now add some glue to that cute little figurine you'd like to repurpose. And our new adorable knick-knack organizer is ready. It makes a great do-it-yourself gift too. One of the biggest possible Christmas faux pas? Falling asleep before Santa brings the presents. Looks like Ashley is trying to avoid doing just that. I really need to get myself a placeholder. Maybe I'll just make myself one instead. Yeah, that'll keep me from falling asleep and from reading the same part over and over and over again. Grab 2 strips of colored paper and cut a festive straw down the middle and into quarters. 2 small cuts in the sides, and we've got some festive antlers. Now, grab whatever else you've got laying around and go to town on your new bookmark. Great job, Ashley. Maybe you'll still miss Santa, but at least you'll have that little present you made waiting for you in the morning. Hit that subscribe button and share ideas for fun with your friends. Don't forget to let us know which of your toys you'd like to give new life to down in the comments. Enjoy the rest of the bloopers. See you soon!